Welcome to Crypto Yield Pro, your ultimate guide to mastering the world of decentralized finance. Let me ask you this. Are you tired of traditional banks dictating your financial future? What if I told you there's a way to take control, save money, and even make your assets work harder for you? That's exactly what DeFi offers, and today we're diving into how it's set to reshape finance by the next few years. In this video, we'll unravel the secrets behind the DeFi revolution, from groundbreaking platforms like Uniswap, Aave, and Aerodrome to trends that are turning heads in the financial world. You'll discover why DeFi isn't just hype, but a game changer. The opportunities we'll explore today are ones most people don't even know exist. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with knowledge that could transform how you think about money forever. So, before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on notifications. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on the strategies we share here every day. Ready to break free from the old and embrace the new? Let's get started. Let's dive into DeFi, or decentralized finance, a movement that's breaking the chains of traditional banking and putting financial power back in your hands. Imagine borrowing, lending, and trading without middlemen or hefty fees, unlike traditional banks where you're often at the mercy of loan officers, lengthy paperwork, and hidden charges. DeFi gives you control, allowing instant transactions with transparent terms that you can verify yourself. Platforms like Aave let users lend their crypto to earn interest or borrow funds instantly. Uniswap takes it a step further, letting you trade tokens directly from your wallet. But here's the catch. Scalability issues and high transaction fees still plague many protocols, leaving users frustrated and opportunities untapped. Now, picture a system where your assets aren't locked up in a bank or government-controlled entity, but are fully yours. Curve Finance makes it easier to swap stablecoins, crucial for DeFi's growth. For example, Curve handles billions of dollars in stablecoin transactions monthly, providing liquidity and minimizing slippage for traders, which has solidified its position as a backbone of the DeFi ecosystem. Yet, even the best protocols face limitations. Have you noticed how slow some networks become during high demand? That's because blockchain scalability is still a work in progress. But don't worry, there are solutions brewing, and we'll get to those soon. And what about Synthetix? It's like having a financial wizard at your fingertips, letting you create and trade synthetic assets that mirror real-world commodities. But here's a hard truth. Without improved interoperability, these assets can't fully thrive. Solutions like cross-chain bridges and shared blockchain standards are already emerging, aiming to connect diverse ecosystems seamlessly and unlock their true potential. So, what's next? Stick around, because the future of DeFi promises to tackle these challenges head-on and unlock the full potential of decentralized systems. The future of DeFi hinges on its ability to connect blockchains seamlessly. Interoperability is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Picture a world where you can move your assets across chains like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Solana without breaking a sweat. Platforms like Velodrome and Aerodrome are leading the charge, enabling cross-chain liquidity solutions that were once just a dream. This evolution is crucial because disconnected blockchains limit user experience and stifle innovation. As these bridges strengthen, expect a more unified DeFi ecosystem where opportunities are endless. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. Regulation. Governments and financial authorities are waking up to DeFi's potential, and with that comes scrutiny. Regulatory frameworks are being discussed globally, with some seeing them as a threat and others as a chance for legitimacy. Projects like Compound are adapting by introducing governance models that align with potential compliance requirements. Will regulation stifle innovation, or will it pave the way for mass adoption? That's the question shaping DeFi's future. Then there's institutional adoption, the final piece of the puzzle. Big players in traditional finance are beginning to dip their toes into DeFi. Think of banks leveraging Aave's liquidity pools or hedge funds using Uniswap to execute decentralized trades. It's a shift in how financial power is distributed. Institutions bring credibility and capital, but they also raise questions about whether DeFi can maintain its decentralized ethos. The stage is set for a fascinating tug-of-war between decentralization and mainstream adoption. Another hot topic in today's landscape is privacy-focused DeFi. With so much scrutiny on financial transactions, platforms are developing privacy layers that let users trade and invest without broadcasting their activity. PancakeSwap, for example, is experimenting with privacy-enhancing features that ensure both transparency and confidentiality. This balance could attract a whole new wave of users who value discretion as much as functionality. Lastly, decentralized insurance is poised to revolutionize risk management. Jupiter and QuickSwap are dipping their toes into this space, creating tools that protect users from financial loss without traditional insurance companies. Think about how this could lower barriers to entry for new investors. As these innovations mature, they're setting the stage for a DeFi ecosystem that's more secure, private, and user-focused than ever before. Now, let's find out how these developments will shape the broader financial system. DeFi is rewriting the rules of financial accessibility. Imagine a farmer in a remote village gaining access to Ethereum staking, or a student in a developing country funding their education without relying on traditional banks. Platforms like Lido and GMX are also making these scenarios possible, empowering individuals with tools that were once reserved for the elite. The beauty of DeFi lies in its inclusivity, leveling the playing field for everyone, no matter where they are. Then there's the cost factor. DeFi slashes transaction fees and eliminates the need for expensive intermediaries. Curve Finance, with its efficient stablecoin swaps, exemplifies how DeFi can make financial services more affordable. No longer do you need to pay exorbitant fees to transfer money internationally or take out a loan. DeFi provides the framework for a more cost-effective financial future that benefits users, not institutions. Finally, transparency is a cornerstone of DeFi's promise. Platforms like Synthetix and Compound operate on open-source protocols, meaning anyone can audit their code and verify transactions. This level of transparency fosters trust, a commodity that's often missing in traditional finance. With every transaction traceable on the blockchain, DeFi is setting a new standard for accountability. DeFi, it's a transformative force that's reshaping how we interact with money and finance. From lending and trading to decentralized insurance and privacy-focused solutions, it's clear that DeFi is here to stay. But the journey is just beginning. The future holds even more potential for growth and innovation, and it's up to pioneers like you to take advantage of it. Dive in. Explore platforms like Aave, Uniswap, and PancakeSwap to see how they can benefit you. Experiment tools like Velodrome for cross-chain liquidity. Knowledge is power, and in the world of DeFi, staying informed can make all the difference. And if you're ready to take your DeFi journey to the next level, don't stop here. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Also consider checking out the link to my ebook in the pinned comment. It's packed with an insider guide to mastering DeFi. Learn strategies, tools, and tips to help you navigate this exciting new world. DeFi is changing finance forever. Be part of this. See you tomorrow.